Hey guys, welcome to yet another video, and in this video we will be learning about Claude in Chrome. So first let's understand what Claude in Chrome actually means. So as you can see, the official Chrome extension for Claude is called Claude in Chrome, currently which is in the beta phase. Developed by Anthropic, it allows Claude to interact directly with your browser to automate tasks and navigate the web alongside you. So if you can read the official document in the claude.com/claude for Chrome, and you can see it says a helping hand across all your tabs. Claude for Chrome can navigate, click, and fill forms in your browser, work with Claude Code, CoWork, and Claude Desktop for end-to-end active workflows actively, and it is available in beta on all paid plans. So the official Chrome extension for Claude is called Claude in Chrome, and it has different capabilities like browser automation, data extraction, workflow recording, developer tool, cross app workflows as well. So we will be learning about how to install it and how to use it as well. So without further ado, the first thing that we need to do before installation is a subscription. So note that this extension is currently available only for paid plans like Pro, Max, Team or Enterprise. Then if you have your subscription plan ready, we're going to visit the Chrome Web Store. So simply open any tab and type in Chrome Web Store and hit the enter button. Click onto the Chrome Web Store, and from here simply search for Claude and hit the enter button. Now from here you will see this Claude in Chrome extension with this name, and you will need to click onto the install button right here. Currently in my case it is showing remove from Chrome because I have already installed it, but in your case you will need to click onto the install button, and once the extension installs, after you give it the necessary permissions, you can access it using this button right here in Chrome. And then within this particular list of extensions, simply choose the Claude extension. If you have not logged in, you will need to first log in. To log in, if you it is automatically redirecting you to a different account. That's because you are signed in with a different account in Claude.ai. So simply go to Claude.ai, and here log in using the account that has the premium subscription, and you will be able to access the Claude in Chrome extension. Then simply click onto the next option. If you want, you can also get the demo as well. And from here you can see that now the Claude in Chrome is available. So let me quickly go to any website and we will see how effectively this particular feature works. So for example, let me go to, let's say, eBay, and here I am in eBay, and what I'm going to do is simply open my Claude for Chrome, and then I can ask it about everything. So for example, let me ask it like, on which website I currently am. So for example, let's say I've asked it a very simple question just for this sake of this video. It says you are currently on eBay, so you can see that it can read from the screen. Now we will try to push things a little bit further, and I will ask it to perform my action on the website on my behalf. So for example, I will ask it to, can you fetch me the latest phones available in the website. Now you can see that I have typed in the prompt, and it has created a plan. So this is the Claude's plan. It will navigate to eBay cell phone section, will search for latest phone, and it will extract and present the results to the user. So either I can approve this plan, or if I wish I can also make changes as well. So if I click onto this make changes, I will, you can see that it says that look like the plan was rejected. I will can also add some more input. So for example, let's say, after presenting them on this screen, give me a list of top 5 recommended smartphones. Now you can see that I have entered the plan, and it will reanalyze the plan, and now you can see that it recreated the plan to from navigation to extraction to display and then the analyzing the top 5 smartphones that I just said. Now once I will click onto this approve plan option, you can see that it is currently working. So from here you can see that it is automatically doing the clicks. So this particular cursor is the Claude and this cursor is me myself. So I'll be just moving away from the screen and you can see that it has successfully searched for these particular smartphones right here and has also given me the top 5 recommended smartphones on eBay. Now one thing I noticed was that it searched for latest smartphones 2024, so I can even correct that as well. Like I can simply type in you searched for latest smartphones 2024, please search for 2025 or older. So as you can see, once I type in the prompt, you can see that it has again generated a plan. I will simply approve it and then it can execute the same within the screen, and now you can see that it has successfully changed it from 24 to 25, and now it will be taking a screenshot of all of the available data and then it will simply process the same, and here you can see that it has given me the list of the top 5 recommended smartphones. So that's how easily Claude in Chrome extension works. You can use it to perform a variety of different transactions, variety of different operations, and the agent does it for you. So that was all for this detailed tutorial. Apart from this, if there are any more configuration like settings, language, conversion to task will be covered in the upcoming videos. So do stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.